So let's talk about the high school scale requirements. You're going to have to play a chromatic scale starting on B flat for 2 octaves at a speed of quarter note equals 100. Play the scale in 16th notes. If you count it in 3/4, it works out great. You've got 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 1. You'll wind up on the next octave, and you'll keep hitting the end or beginning of each octave after every 3 beats. My suggestion is to play all of the accidentals on the edge of the bar so that you're not going back and forth so much, because your hands are going to switch with each set of accidentals. So play from the edge to the middle of the natural bars. This is the speed of 100, B flat chromatic scale.